Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to automate your dropshipping business? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect AliExpress to your Shopify store in under 5 minutes using the search step by step. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, go to the Shopify app section, then click App and Sales Channel Settings. Now click Shopify App Store button at the top right corner and search for the search AliExpress dropshipping. Click on it, then install and connect it to your Shopify store. This search is official AliExpress dropshipping partner now. Next, go to the search dashboard. When it's installed, and click authorize with AliExpress. Click login and authorize. Sign in with your AliExpress account from here. Enter your login credentials, then click login and authorize. This search can now help you import products, track orders, and autofill customer shipping information. Now head over to aliexpress.com, open a new tab and search for AliExpress. And click on it. Find the product you want to sell and click the search Chrome extension to import. Search for the search extension for Chrome and install it. Click add to Chrome, then add extension. Or you can use the import list inside the search to bulk manage your products, change title, description, price, and choose product variants before pushing them live to your store. Now go to AliExpress, then click the one products from here like that. Now click the extension icon and select the search extension and log into your search from here or create a new account with your Shopify credentials and link and authorize to AliExpress and follow the process. When a customer places an order, the search will show it in the orders tab. You just pick place order and the search fills in the shipping information on AliExpress for you. You can also enable auto tracking, bulk orders, and customize suppliers' preferences. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to AliExpress using this search. You can import products, fulfill orders, and scale your dropshipping store with ease. So, if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify dropshipping tips and comment below if you want a full research setup workthrough. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.